it's going. Alright, we're making sure. Alright, it's going.
This song right here is dedicated to our favorite snacks.
And you got all them haters out there that act like they can't eat snacks. Hey, it's good for you. It makes you fat. It's good for you. Let's go.
You know where to find me.
Hey, you know where to find me, man.
bro.
What you got?
Go ahead.
Yo, run that beat.
Run it.
Run that back.
It's in course.
What you got?
Snacks on snacks on snacks.
Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks.
Snacks on snacks on snacks. Got snacks on snacks on snacks.
What?
Got snacks on snacks on snacks. Got snacks on snacks on snacks. Got cup days going strong. Eating bread when I'm talking on the phone. Got ice cream on my cone. Got hot dogs and a foot long.
Got Twinkies and ding dong. Big rubber like King Kong. That's why we made this song.
Got snacks on snacks on snacks. 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 Got snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks. Got Lay's in my pantry. Got pop in my tart. Got peanuts in my jar. It all makes one fart.
Got chocolate on my heart. Got Campbell's in my cart. If you don't know where to find it, I'll find it in Walmart.
Got snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Got snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Got snacks on snacks on snacks. 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 Yo, that song right there.
What up?
Dedicated.
That was my shit right there,
Dedicated to the Three Musketeers. Milky Way. I'm gonna follow the Milky Way.
Woo! Got
Get
snacks
up,
on
baby.
snacks.
My nigga on the M&M commercials, bro. Butterfingers, let's get at you, ball. Hey! Burr!
Oh, yeah.